Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix setup canceled in OpenClaw Bot. All right, let's begin. If you accidentally press Ctrl+C during setup, the onboarding process will stop and show setup canceled. When this happens, most of the settings you configured will be reset. Any custom options you enabled, disabled, or modified are usually removed. However, some basic selections, such as the chat app you chose, may still be saved. You cannot fully resume from the exact point where you stopped, but you can restart the onboarding process quickly. To fix this, open your terminal and run the command, ClawBot onboard. Type the command exactly as shown and press enter. If it doesn't work, you can try replacing ClawBot with OpenClaw and it will work. This will relaunch the onboarding wizard and restart the setup process. From there, you can choose whether to use existing saved values or reset everything and configure it again from the beginning. Simply follow the prompts on your screen and complete the setup steps as required. That is the only way to properly continue after canceling the setup with Ctrl+C. So that's basically how you can fix setup canceled in OpenClaw Bot. That's it for this video. Thanks.